Step 1. Open the packing box. Take out accessories and check them. Read the instruction manual to familiarize with the generator operation guide. Step 2. Assembly of wheel axle. Assembly of 5-inch PU foam wheel. Assembly of frame support and shock-absorbing rubber block. Step 3. Unscrew the oil dipstick and use the oil funnel to add liters per liter of lubricating oil. Then use the oil to check whether the oil level is within the upper and lower limit areas and tighten the oil dipstick. Step 4. Unscrew the fuel tank cover. Use the fuel funnel to add gasoline to the mouth of the fuel tank and then tighten the fuel tank cover. Place the fuel switch at the bottom of the fuel tank in the on position. Pay attention to the gasoline tank and the outside of the machine. If there is any gasoline leakage, needs to be cleaned up with a clean rubbing cloth. Step 5. Link the positive battery cable to the positive battery terminal with a plum blossom tool knife. Step 6. Put generator accessories, plug and power socket wire correctly linked firmly. Generator placed in the outdoor, around 1.5 meters without any cover or flammable and explosive substances. Step 7. Electric start mode. The idle switch to the off position. The circuit breaker is closed. Dampers closed. Damper cable pull out. With the start key to the electric start lock rotated to the start position. Machine start after ignition until the machine starts. Note each start process start motor running time is not more than 3 seconds. The interval time is not less than 20 seconds. The start key is automatically returned to the operating gear. In the slow windshield will be open. The generator runs normally. Green running indicator light is always on. Step 8. Hand start mode. The idle switch to the off position. The circuit breaker is closed. The damper is closed. Damper cable pull out. With the starter key to the electric starter lock rotated to the running position. And then grab the starter handle. The first light point feel resistance when the handle to send back to the pull plate and with the rapid force in the storage to start the generator. The machine pulls the ignition in the slow opening of the dampers. The damper cable pushed to go. The generator is running normally. Green running indicator light is always on. Step 9. Turn on the control panel circuit breaker after checking that the connections are correct. Start the load of electrical equipment. Pay attention to the power of the electrical equipment cannot be greater than the generator's output power. Generator overload red blinking should reduce the load equipment. Step 10. After use, turn off the power equipment. Turn off the circuit breaker. Unplug the generator after the generator is turned off. Start the switch to the off position to turn off the generator. Step 11. Turn off the fuel tank switch. Please note, such as the subsequent long period of time greater than 60 days or more temporarily not adapted to the generator, you need to put the carburetor or cup of the remaining gasoline clearance to be cooled by the generator for more than 2 hours to the transfer to the storeroom.